Something massive is moving through space at a speed that shouldn't be possible. Not a star, not a comet, but a black hole tearing away from everything it was supposed to stay attached to. According to new observations, this object is racing through the universe at nearly 2 million miles per hour, and what scientists just confirmed has completely rewritten what we thought was possible. For decades, black holes were believed to be cosmic anchors. Once they formed at the center of a galaxy, they stayed there, locked in place by gravity so strong that nothing could budge them. Galaxies were built around these objects, shaped by them, controlled by them. A black hole leaving its galaxy wasn't just unlikely, it was considered almost impossible. But that assumption just collapsed. What astronomers noticed first wasn't the black hole itself, but something even stranger. A long, glowing trail, cutting through space, stretching tens of thousands of light years behind a distant galaxy. At first, researchers thought it was a glitch or a strange alignment of stars. But the more they studied it, the clearer it became that this trail was real, and it was pointing to something moving fast. Way too fast. When scientists calculated the speed, the numbers didn't make sense. 2 million miles per hour. Fast enough to cross the United States in seconds. Fast enough to escape the gravitational grip of an entire galaxy. At that speed, the object wasn't orbiting. It wasn't drifting. It was running. And the only thing massive enough to create the effects they were seeing was a supermassive black hole. That's when the panic set in. Because black holes aren't supposed to do this. They don't wander. They don't flee. And they definitely don't leave behind visible evidence of their escape. Yet here it was a black hole on the move, with a glowing trail marking its path like cosmic footprints. So what could possibly launch something so heavy, so dense, and so powerful out of its own galaxy? The answer points to one of the most violent events in the universe, a galaxy collision. When two galaxies collide, it isn't a clean crash. It's chaos on a scale the human mind can barely process. Stars pass each other, gas clouds compress and ignite, and at the center of each galaxy, massive black holes begin a deadly dance. If two black holes spiral close enough, the interaction can create a gravitational slingshot, a sudden, violent kick that launches one of them away at unimaginable speed. That kick appears to be exactly what happened here. Instead of merging quietly, one black hole was ejected, thrown out of its home galaxy like debris from an explosion, and once it was free, nothing could stop it. No stars, no gravity wells, no galactic borders. It just kept going. But here's where the discovery turns from shocking to downright unsettling. As this black hole races through space, it isn't invisible. It's plowing through gas clouds, compressing them, triggering the formation of new stars. That glowing trail scientists spotted isn't destruction, it's creation. The black hole is literally leaving a line of newborn stars in its wake, like sparks flying off a runaway engine. This has never been confirmed before. Black holes were thought to destroy everything around them. Now we're seeing one actively creating stars as it escapes into deep space. That flips decades of astrophysics on its head. And it gets worse. If one black hole can be kicked out of a galaxy, then others can too. Which means there could be rogue black holes wandering the universe right now invisible, massive, and fast passing through galaxies, disturbing star systems, and leaving behind changes we don't yet understand. It also means galaxies might not be as stable as we thought. For years, scientists believed central black holes were permanent fixtures, shaping galaxies over billions of years. But if those anchors can be ripped away, entire galaxies could evolve differently. Star formation could slow down, or speed up, or collapse entirely. The rules change the moment the black hole leaves. And without the new generation of space telescopes, this discovery might have gone unnoticed forever. Earlier instruments couldn't see the faint infrared glow of that star trail. They couldn't track subtle movements at extreme distances. But now, astronomers are realizing they may have been missing these runaway black holes all along. This might not be a one-off event. It might be the first confirmed example of something that happens more often than anyone expected, which leads to the most unsettling thought of all. If black holes can escape galaxies, then space isn't just filled with objects sitting still in neat cosmic structures. It's filled with massive things moving fast, unseen, and unstoppable. And somewhere out there right now, a black hole could be racing through the darkness, carrying the scars of a violent past, reshaping everything it passes.